know the drill. On a typical lease clearing operation, using traditional methods, first you cut the trees and pile them up. Then you pull the stumps and pile those up. Go back and rip the soil and push that up. Then move the soil back. Burn the trees, burn the stumps. For years, this has been the time-consuming, inefficient, and incredibly frustrating method of clearing wooded terrain for oil leases, pipelines, power corridors, or whatever the eventual use may be. But now we've got a far better way. IronWolf's slasher easily chews through frozen soil, trees, stumps, roots, rocks, anything in its path, grinds it, mulches it, and mixes it smoothly back into the soil. On the forward thrust, the slasher flattens everything in its path. The heavyweight push bar forces trees over at their base, and the V configuration of the specially designed directional arms channel the tree trunks and forest debris directly into the spinning teeth of the mulching drum. The reverse run churns everything back up into the drum housing, where powerful breaker bars shear and shatter roots, stumps, and rocks, and completes the mulching action, all in a single pass, up and back. No cutting or piling, no disking or rolling, no grinding or burning. One machine, not three. The slasher's unique depth guide shoes ensure precise soil depth control up to 8 inches deep in the first pass, with an additional 4 more inches achievable on the reverse pass if required. This process entirely prevents soil and clay admixing, leaving behind a clear, clean, and stable base that is finished and complete. Nothing left to do but load up and move on to the next site. How well does it perform? You'll be speechless. Is it reliable? You better believe it. What about maintenance? This machine is rock solid. Maintenance is minimal. And parts? The only consumables are fuel and teeth. You know how much diesel costs, and the teeth are dollars a piece. We obviously haven't overlooked anything. The Alberta oil and construction industry spoke, and we listened. They demanded a single engine that could clear a typical 110 by 110 oil lease without felling trees, without ripping up roots, without pulling up subsoil, and with zero reclamation work afterwards. And they wanted it done in one 10-hour day. No problem. The pipeline builders challenged us to push a 15-meter wide, finished cut through thick standing trees at a brisk rate of over 1 kilometer a day. They wanted the job completed with less machinery and less manpower, and they wanted to pull a rig down in the next morning. Job done. The agriculture sector definitely needed an advanced solution for clearing land for future pastures and crop fields. We showed them an infinitely superior method to raise their forested sections, grind all the overburden into the soil, and produce a supremely rich composted loam ideal for pastures, hay fields, or grain crops. And we showed them the ideal time to do this is during our long prairie winter, when they usually have a little extra time on their hands. Enough said. Does the Roto Slasher have competition? Well, there are plenty of dozer operators out there who claim they can achieve the same incredible results that we do. But they are literally skimming the surface. There is not another machine in operation today or the foreseeable future that can cut frozen soil, rocks, rock, and everything else as deep as we can or as fast as we can in one single pass. Repeat, one single pass. The Slasher has been thoroughly tested and can withstand the very worst that a Canadian winter can throw at it. And the machine has consistently proven itself time and again on any terrain in any application, especially when paired in a death match against conventional mounted rippers. At IronWolf, we live and work in the ground. The primary diet for the Slasher is rocks and solid frozen soil. Trees, roots, and stumps are mere appetizers. Our competition has vainly tried to follow in our path, but their efforts have proven futile. The deeper we go, the more we leave them behind, barely scratching the surface. The substantial environmental benefits this machine provides are one thing, but when combined with its incredible performance, efficiency, and versatility, and more importantly, its significant profit potential, IronWolf's slasher is, in every way imaginable, the future of land clearing technology.